In this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy BO2 zombie maps on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, first of all, you can open your Google Chrome or a favorite browser. After doing that, you'll be able to check the Google page right here. You can locate the search bar and search for xbox.com and click to search for it. After doing that, you'll be able to check the official side of Xbox, and you can see and change everything here. You can check a lot of information about the Xbox. You'll be able to check right here games, devs, play, community, and much more. But you just want to know how to buy BO2 zombie maps on Xbox One. If you want to do that, you just need to click right here in the games section, and you'll be able to see everything about games. So, you can go right here to Games Home. Now you just have to wait for the load. After doing that, you'll be able to check this screen right here. So, you can swipe your screen to the bottom and you'll see this option right here, Browse All Games. You can click there. So, after doing that, you'll be able to check all the games to Xbox. So, if you really want to buy BO2 zombie maps, you can just go to the search bar right here and search for Black Ops 2. After doing that, you'll be able to check all the results of your search. So, you can swipe your screen to the bottom and click in this icon right here. Now, you'll be able to check the official page of Call of Duty Black Ops 2 in the official website of Xbox. If you swipe your screen to the bottom, you'll be able to check more information about the game. And as you can see, the maps will be right here in add-ons for this game section. So, if you go right here, you'll be able to see the zombie maps, and you can also click in this arrow right here to see more things about the game. And you can click one more time and you'll be able to see more things about the game. If you want to buy a map from zombies in Black Ops 2, you just need to select the one you want to buy. But before that, you need to make the login right here, click in there. You need to make the login with the account you're using on your Xbox. So, after doing that, you can just click right here to buy and make the payment method. After making the payment method, you'll be able to download and start playing the game. So, until the moment I'm recording this video, that's the only way to do that. That's how it works. I hope I helped you in how to buy BO2 zombie maps on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.